You want to deal with him?
I will. You know I will.
You want to deal with him?
I will. You know I will.
What is that, Steven? You telling someone to do something?
Don't
Pointing at me?
look the other way. Someone else, bro. Take that shit. Yo.
Enjoy your space. Enjoy it. Hey! Space! Space! Second time I'm backing up. Third time I'm backing up. Lady! Back up! Back up! Back up! Next motherfucker! Fourth time I'm backing up. Fifth time I'm backing up.
Shit. I wanted her to fuck him up.
Is that somebody you guys have seen before?
Yeah, he always talking shit. Always talking shit to us and everything and putting shit on his little Facebook thing.
Yeah. Hard-hitting investigator.
Yeah, he's just a jerk.
Like that.
I was hoping that girl punched him right in his face. If she would have punched him in his face, I'd have just been like... That's why I turned my back. Because when she was going to get him, that's why I turned my back. I ain't seen nothing. And all I would have turned around when he hit her, and I would have went over there and locked him up.
Go ahead. We good. Hey, you. Just Officer Williams, badge number 183.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, we got that.
Okay.
Lady, back up. Back up. Back up.
I don't see any.
Yo, you see that dude?
Yeah, Randy Thompson.
Yeah.
You did right. You ain't even paying no attention. He tried to bait you. Listen, beat me. He fucking did it last one. I said, yo, you see. Yo, when we all did this. Yo, we all did this. They scared him on. Yo, you didn't see that?
No, I saw it.
Oh, yeah.
Just get back up.
She was about to whip his ass, and I went over there and gave her a high five. I was like, she was like, you know what it is, love. I'll fuck his ass.